how to fix MSCOMCTL.OCX error on your Windows. In order to fix that error on our Windows, what we will do is, it's very simple. This will work 100%. So all I ask is that you simply subscribe and like the video and just leave some kind of comment. Now we're going to go to the search bar and we're going to search for CMD, which is called command prompt, but don't open it right away because you have to actually right click on it and then run it as an administrator. So you have to open your command prompt as an administrator right here. Now I will leave two commands in the description box. The first command is the cdc Windows system. So this is the path that we want to first navigate to, and we'll just come to command prompt and simply paste that particular command, and we'll just hit the enter button, and you can see we're now on that path. Now the second command we have to run is to register that MSCOMCTL.OCX file. So we'll just go ahead and then copy that command as well. This will be in the description, so make sure to check that out. And now just go ahead and paste it like this and just hit the enter button. Now once you've done that, in my case I don't have that error, so you're seeing this, but if in your case you have that error, it'll help you solve it. Restart your computer as well. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.